Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoyed the content you're about to watch today, please feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a follow, do whatever you guys need to do. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you want to catch me on any other platforms, all the links to everything is in the bio down below. Thank you again for stopping by. Enjoy the video. We're doing an F1-8X, which I think is pretty neat. Let's move this mouse out of the way for now. Let's get this keyboard off to the side too. We're doing... Ooh, I like your hoodie. Thank you very much, Marku. We're doing this guy, which you guys may have seen already, but I'm very excited to show you guys again and again. Cases, click buttons. All right. So you guys might have already seen this. All right. This is really cool for a few reasons. Not only is it a cool keyboard, but it also has some cool engravings on it. So here is the board. I mean, I assume this is more of like a modular weight system, so if you don't want all the weights, you can take them out, which is pretty neat. I'm gonna leave them in there just because I don't mind it. You guys may have seen this. I don't know if you guys saw this on the back over here. And we also got a little, boy, can't get a grip on it. Got a little logo engraving over here too. We'll do the back first. I infilled it too with some enamel. So if you guys know that little plus sign that we have floating on the top right corner of the stream, I kind of tried to mimic that same colorway. And we even got the stuff here on the back over here. So we're going to be building this, and I've been really excited to build this. And let me tell you too, I spent so much time doing these switches. All right. So cool thing about this board here, which I really like, and I wish this was like more available to people, all the screws are actually hidden underneath these feet, which they came with black feet too, but I think we're gonna go with the darker colored feet because I don't know, the gray for me is just, this is very contrasty. I want them to blend. Those brass weights you can take out, like customize, kinda. I mean, I feel, you know, like that Logitech mouse where you can kind of take out weights and all that. I feel like that's exactly what this is. Let us work on our stabilizers for this. So we are going to be using Everglide stabs today. And I did something today because I saw some other streamers do it. All right. Who do keyboards. I tuned all the wires to make sure they're dead flat. So we're going to, hopefully that makes some sort of a difference. So here is the aluminum plate. Very interesting. Oh, it's very holy, so it's not catching up. There we go. Very cool. So this board actually mounts pretty interestingly. It uses O-rings, basically a cord, which is going to be very cool. What a stunner. Yeah. If you guys were asking how we got it, I spoke to Geonworks. We worked out something. This was a Korea only group buy. I managed to get my hands on one, and here is our beautiful PCB. Why isn't the camera focusing? Hello, camera. What are you focusing on? All right, camera. There we go. Now, it does have RGB everywhere, or LEDs, it looks like, which we're not going to be using. It does have these 3 LEDs, which is also kind of interesting. So it looks like this is a F1-8X PCB. Interesting. Where can I buy this? So this was a Korea-only group buy. It's from a company called Geonworks. We're gonna peel off the Made in China sticker. I just don't want it there. It's bugging me for some reason. But I don't know if he's gonna be doing any sort of international release with this. I don't know. I know the keyboards seem to be very popular. We're about to put our stabilizers in this bad boy. That old thing. You know how it do. Oh, wait. And let's put this on. Ooh. Look at that. Pretty. All right, let's grab our switches, wherever they may be. Where did I even put them? Oh, they're right here. All right, she soldered. There's some flux residue that I'm gonna wipe off later, but whatever. Pretty good soldering job. Little pyramids everywhere. Pretty nice. I do like the novelties. Perfect. I know we got to put a little bit here first, which we're going to do now. So it has these little grooves and indentations here, which we're going to put in. Okay, let's see the YouTube video here. Check out 520. Oh, it goes on the top. Does it go on the top? Oh, okay, so there's grooves on the top here we got to do. I see. On the metal part. All right, perfect. Good to know. We'll do that. And there we go. Let's flip this over and get everything screwed back in. What switches are in it? It looks so cool. I am using Durock switches, but I have done the Durock switches with slow springs, films, as well as some other neat stuff too. There are grooves on the inside of the top mount for more O-rings. I don't think we want to put any. I think we're good with the 2. Besides, we can always open it up too. We can open it up and add more things to it later. Are Durock's linear? Well, the ones that I got are, yes. They're linear switches. Oh boy. Why did this go in like that? Let's just put these all in here. What is a slow spring? So it has different force curve as it gets actuated. I think we're gonna put the black feet, like I said. I'm gonna take those gray feet and put them on. Samantha, thank you so much for your Prime. I appreciate it. Appreciate it so much. Hey Alex, do you prefer TX films or Videskis? The new TX films, the thinner ones, the 0.125 millimeters, are actually really, really good. I like both. I think Deskies work more with more switches because they compress a little nicer. But I quite like both. I quite like both of them. Okay, we're gonna put the black feet. Dude, this is ingenious, by the way. Can I just say this is really nice? The fact that the screws are covered by the feet. Can I point that out again for you guys? This is so nice. I hope everyone here is doing really, really well. Ooh. Can I already tell you guys? This sounds pretty nice. So one cool thing about this too, where did I put the artisan cap? Is he sent us over this really cool artisan cap too. Check this out. We're gonna put this on the keyboard. So it has a little logo on it, been engraved, same color as the keyboard. Pretty nice. It is neat, huh? Okay, let's get our keycaps and start plugging away here. Dude, are you guys ready for a sound test? So here's the keyboard. Here we go. This is a Geonworks F1-8X. Oh my god, dust. Clean board. There's a little artisan keycap there. Flip this around. I'll wipe off my fingerprints later. But here is the enamel-filled laser engraving that we did. All right, here is this part here. USB-C cutout, looks nice, looks clean. Here's the profile of it. Quite a nice profile. Are ready for a sound test is the real question. Yay or nay? 9 pounds? It's pretty heavy. All right. All right. Very nice. All right. So I'm going to be honest. Sound profile wise, amazing. I actually really like this. A little echoey. So that's the one thing I was gonna be like super critical about. First of all, amazing. Amazing sound profile. I didn't notice any echoiness, but the only thing that I did notice typing feel on it was the slightest bit of vibration. Is that going to bother me? Absolutely not. I really like this. I think this is a good, very good keyboard. I think sound profile wise, this is exactly the mark that I like. Like this is, oh, what did I just do? I did something to that screen. But this is actually very close to the sound profile of what I liked in the Plume being very clacky. The Viton O-ring, same feel as Unicorn, yeah. It's a little bit of vibration, but again, definitely not a bad thing. I don't think polyfill is gonna fix vibration in that case. But it's definitely like Celtic said, it's from the Viton O-rings. I'm really into this. This is very, very nice. This is super, super cool. This is a very good sound profile. Visually, this board's very nice. I actually really like this with the white keycaps. I kind of don't even want to take it out. Yeah, this is a Korean board. Yeah, so like Celtic said, Dutch, so this is very similar in terms of the vibration that you get in something like the E6.5, and even a little bit, not so much. The Moon Tower actually has a lot of compression to it, but the Moon Tower does have a slight bit of vibration too. You're gonna get that with any sort of Viton thing. Usually I'm not too big on a little bit of vibration. It makes my fingers feel weird, but this is, like, you can definitely tell there's a bit of flex with this, and I don't mind it. I actually really, really like this. I really like this board. Price point, finish, like the anodizing on this is great. Everything about this, amazing.